finally found the trail. We once found this trail before on our quads up on the backside of the white tanks here, and went up over the top there, and it gets us to the top of a mountain. So I think I found it again. Dude, we've tried to find this like a dozen times.
You guys?
After that one time, and we just always get lost and never can find it again. And of course, a lot of that area over there is all closed off from the park. But, right, I'm pretty sure this is it. I recognize this, but it's been like 12, 13, 14 years since I've been here. So you were getting ready to get a treat right here if this is it.
Guys, we went on this really bumpy road to get here.
Well, we just came up some rough stuff, and to this spot here, as I said, it's been like 15 years or something. So I think we can get that one. Not so sure I'm going to do it though without having other people with us. I'm going to send the drone up that I brought out and just kind of take a look at the trail anyway. All right.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, you can tell on the top there it smooths out. Just a regular trail again. Climbing altitude. Here's a nice little turnaround or something right here. Two trails. Looks like the one on the left's probably the one we want. Oh, God. Take a look here.
Looks fine to me.
Huh?
Should look fine.
It looks fine once we get up there. There was that one spot we were just at looked like it was a little fun. Okay, this road just turns back into this one. I can see now.
All right, ready?
To where?
Flight altitude reached.
Go.
Max reached. Fuck off. I have to go higher. That's a way to fucking.
Let's just go.
Hold on. Fucker. Yeah, but it's not that high. Go to the fucking mountain. Shit. There's a second trail still to the right. Here again. Okay. And then I remember this Jeep trail right here. We're like, wow, once we got up on there. And then we kind of go up. It's a climb. Look at that trail.
Okay, let's find it. Let's go.
On this trail?
Okay, let's just go.
While I'm looking at it, it looks pretty good trail once you get past that one spot. Just trying to decide if we want to do it without help or other people here. Oh, it takes a sharp right here for some reason. Is that the... I think it's the way left.
No, let's just not go on the trail. Let's just go.
Hold on. To ruin my video. I don't think that's it, is it? One of these trails took us to a nice hilltop. This one takes us to the hilltop right up here. That's not it. Okay. This looks like a newer trail. Oop, it's breaking up a little bit. I know. Weak signal, I gotta get out. Oh, there it comes. Wow, it lost connection for a long time there. I don't know what the fuck that was. It's coming back. Thought we were gonna have to go up there and try to hike for it. And it was, I don't know what it was, but it was probably 1,600 feet away. I could see us on this map thing.
I don't see it.
I can hear it. Hold on. Since it's up there, I'm going to take a look around. And there's the trails we need to go on right there. Man. Huh? Okay.
Go home.
I'm tired from running up those hills. Oh, it's way up there still. I had to turn off the 390 something feet limit because it was climbing, 1,000 feet up to get over the hill. So technically the drone, when I was climbing the hill, was never more than, 50, 100 feet higher than the dirt underneath it. But it gauges from your starting point, unfortunately. It kind of screws it up. So. Here she comes.
Is it a she or a he?
It's a she because it's being a dick.
Oh no, that means it's a he. Little Jimmy.
Come to me.
Ew.
Come to me.
Tiny Bertha?
Come to me now. Come here. Come to me.
Ew.
Just got back. Actually took this thing to the car wash this time. I was wondering if this thing would ever shine again. Not too bad. Shocks almost look new again. A lot better than how I had been bringing it back. Seats look good again. I forgot that this thing was here and soaked it pretty good. But it seems like it survived. I plugged it back in after I got back from the car wash, and that seems to be working. I missed a couple spots right there, but it's not perfect, but sure looks a lot better. You couldn't even see the taillights. I had so much dust since we came back from Happy Jack. So, yeah, you can see those again. But just added these license plate lights. I think I'm going to get this thing street legal, hopefully. So, anyway, it's back. It's not put away dirty this time. Should be ready to roll. Couple weeks, we're going way up into the mountains. Let's see how it goes.